On this episode of the next season hunt, Nate and I head to a property near Gettysburg, Pennsylvania, where I was able to capture 2 of the birds we harvested during our day's hunt. Not long after entering the field, Bo went on point. As you can see, Nate hadn't even loaded the gun yet.
Oh, it's right here, Nate.
As we came across the first bird.
Watch it.
A flush, a missed shot, and a very solid hit.
Oh, Bobby, come
The
on,
bird
right
went
over
down behind a thicket,
here. Dead bird.
and I gave the dead bird command to Bo.
It's a real flush.
We noticed that the bird was a runner and had a lot of life left in it.
Oh, it was running. Good boy, Bo. Get him. That's awesome, Bo.
Bo was able to catch the bird
Oh, get him. Get in the business. Attaboy.
and started bringing it back.
Here. Come on. Here.
He then lost control of the bird, and it took off for another run.
Get him. Get him.
Bo then got the bird and was able to finish the retrieve.
Good boy, Bo. Good boy. We'll be soon. Bo did a great job there. Good job, Bobby.
The next bird was a runner, and Bo was on one side of the thicket on point, and Nate and I decided to go to the other side and hope the bird that would flush in our direction. As we moved forward, we noticed the bird was also moving forward. We were coming to the end of the thicket and was hopeful that we would be able to get a shot when the bird flushed at the end of the row. And just as we believed, the bird was at the very end. Nate was able to hit the bird on the second shot, and I gave the dead bird command again.
Right here, Bo.
Bo busted out,
Good boy.
eager to get the bird, and I pointed it out. Bo made an energetic retrieve,
Let me put the death grip on him.
and we harvested the second bird of what turned out to be a great day.
That's a good boy.
Hopefully you enjoyed this footage, and we'll see you out there on the next season.
All right. Buddy, you did great today. That was awesome. That was a great one.